some more parts here. We're gonna keep building, as I always say. So I put some stuff here. Oh, you know what? Okay, so we'll start with this one. This goes here, and then this one goes here. This goes here, like that. And I put this little phone here. You can see it right here on the desk. And I'll put this here, and put this one here, like that. Yeah, we'll straighten that out in a minute. Okay, so then I'm gonna put this like this. Okay, and then, cool. Okay, so I need this part here. Okay, and this little thing needs to space out that way. Okay, and then, okay, so I need that part. And I need this, like that. And I've got two windows here. They're gonna go like this. So that's what it's gonna look like on the one side, like that. And then I'm going to take this piece and put it here, and then you'll see what I'm doing. Voila. And I'll take this part and we'll put it, okay. Yep, just like that. So I'll bend it up so you can see it a little better. You can see how it's kind of rounding out that office detail that you need, you know, the door and everything. And I'm going to see you in the next video. So this is interesting. Actually, you know what? I got some time here. Let me show you. So I've got the camera here. I wanted to show you this desk. It's kind of cool. So they've got a lot of detail here, you know, in here. And then, like I said, there's the phone that's on there. You know, Spidey's in the back here, right there. And then there's another Art Deco creation in here. And then, you know, things are just going to get added to it. And I just wanted to walk you through. There's a camera here. If you can't, you can see it right there. And then this is the copy machine. You know, got this little door that comes up like that. And then keypad, you know, you put that on there, just it spits it out. It's pretty cool. I like the office details, even with the office equipment. So yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.